Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a vertical slide transitions for your photos in CapCut. So first you need to add a photo to CapCut, then go to ratio and change the format into 2:1. Click on a check icon. Now go to overlay and add the second photo. Okay, if the photo isn't square like this, you can just go to edit and click on crop and change the format into square. Click on a check icon and now fit the size and then click move the overlay to the right and then the first photo to the left. And now after you do that, click on the first photo and then rotate it 3 times. Do the same for the second photo. So now export the video, then you can open it in a new project. Okay, now go to ratio and change the format into square. Click on a clip and then rotate it to 90 degrees and zoom in the clip until it fits the screen and move it so that the first photo fits the whole screen like this. Okay, so now add do 2 keyframes on a clip like this at the start and also near the end. And now move the clip up on the last keyframe. Okay, after that, go in between the keyframes, go to grab and use this custom grab. So you need to add 2 bits like this and then put it like this. Now click on a check icon and now you are done with the vertical slide transition. So the result will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please do click on the thumbs up icon, click on a thanks, comment and also subscribe. Bye.